Richard Togby, Executive Member for Education, conducted a joint meeting of various students' organizations at Deepu on 22nd July. Awareness program on household energy efficiency program was organized at Block 2 on 22nd July. Land plowing power tiller mishap killed one person at Monsing Teron village on 20 July. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie BP. Now the news in details. To reconstruct the educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, Richard Togby, EM Education, called for a joint discussion with KSA, KSU and various students and social organizations of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. It is notable that most of the lower primary schools under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are functioning without the presence of appointed teachers from KASA. They employ underqualified youths of the local areas with low education knowledge to teach the children. This had consequently provided a huge impact in sustaining quality education within the district. Taking this matter into hands, the newly inducted cabinet of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Richard Togby, Executive Member for Education, conducted a joint meeting with the leaders of KSA, KSU and various students and social organizations of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong under the supervision of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 22nd July at Hotel Hambi, Casa Stadium, Deepu. The meeting was discussed sharply to focus on grassroots level education systems, followed by high school level to UG and PG levels at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Richard Togby, EM Education, suggested KSU, KSA and various students' organizations to prepare and initiate school inspections from the following month at all the LP schools to ensure proper function of the schools.
Magalima. Hala son tak taksi itung non along tina school LP school ano. Parents, teachers, students, so tire puisi ben get on degi apa. Jate je anu tin tame responsible henang poku. Bini lada KSA ben chelo alam tin tame Injiring kilo, nil pun kami dan pun nonggulo sa kapel. Cerah pun tu, mama tak itu ini. Non kiban sih, bos terima. Education, reformation apa, movement apa itu balance. Atau anu arong maluang sami. Patul pak. Mereka yang boleh turut asal education aku tapi kecil pak tinggi apa different tinggi asal cilo ibon bukusi itu pilih lagi.
Samson Teron said, to ensure better educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong, we all would work together as a team irrespective of the background we belongs to.
Si pinida kacing wai pon bangke lahelo kadang we house pen chekroi sarlo je Karbi Anglong long banon ini tunggu tek long bangke education scenario bang mewe posi education bang poson se frank ke pa mesen ji mal sopu thak por anutin sameda lam the ji pachoilo tapi ni siver lam the kadu ko wepen ethevet ki puthe balam the bangke la education long bangke compromise me education bangke pini pen non pen labang soisia a team dak bangke dolo kadu we claim rap pet po je education dak pini political issue we ba political alama masya we da labang ke education only one point agenda question se education ka pe meji ma kaso putha compromise longli puse chingwaisi pinda ka bangke isia mai do ponlo.
Hang Sing Timong expressed his aspirations over the mutual motive of the various independent students' organizations at the meeting as a sign of unity. No one should compromise when it comes to matters related to education.
Pen isialam kadok kawe student organization to non social organization to independent body bonta education along ke ini tum ci compromise nang ne education alang ke nang la so politics party la so political party puchi purang ne education le jong si itum mesen protang te itum along ri kaching thurji fan krapik ji asi education lang itum ci compromise nang ne pot happy pensi pinidak KSA rupri da dolo la penitum dak KSYC KSU DSU RNSU la pen kaprek engineers community do an itum dak chingrum mesi la choka chingwai pon itum dolo.
Thompson Rongpi applauds the executive member for education for taking one step forward in reconstructing education system in grassroots level, says he is the first EM to direct student organizations for inspection at schools.
Kadowe organization pan phalo pini alang la so steps ke la hello ke thenaya kamlo pini la son ke ajak madu ayem tar mathathe sita pini Richard tok bia ke hai alang li la so sai ke deng bang ke lage mi o khangjang lo.
He appeals the citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong to kindly cooperate with them during the process. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 22nd July, MS Karbi Coalitions of Karbi Anglong organized an awareness program on household energy efficiency program sponsored by Sequest Capital and managed by 3D Ecolution at Am'i, Tapat and Langhempi, Assam, Meghalaya border regions. Free installation of organized cooking stove was also done for the villagers. The supervisor of MS Karbi Ecolutions for Karbi Anglong, Livingstone Bay, initiated the program with the theme "A Healthy Women Make a Healthy Household." Brief about the organized and advanced cooking stove to the participants of the program at Block 2 region. After the organized and advanced cooking stove was demonstrated to all the participants, Livingstone Bay, the supervisor of MS Karbi Ecolutions for Karbi Anglong, informed that the awareness program would be extended throughout the constituencies at West Karbi Anglong. The installation of the organized and advanced cooking stove would be made free of cost without paying a single rupee. The agents of the MS Karbi Coalition for Karbi Anglong would survey and then install the cooking stove at your household. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. On 20 July, a person identified as Rajan Bongrom, age 30, was killed in an accident with land plowing power tiller at Monsing Teron village, falling under the jurisdiction of Dilai police station. Family members of the deceased informed that Rajan Bongrom was engaged in plowing the paddy field at Monsing Teron village as usual on 20 July. Unfortunately, due to some mechanical error, the machine started moving backwards and the blades of the machine surmounted Rajan Teron on the paddy field. This had critically injured him. He was then quickly rushed for the treatment at Deepu Medical College and Hospital, but was succumbed to his injury midway. He was left behind to his wife and 2 children. At an hour like this, the family of the victim appeals the concerned authority to kindly assist and extend their support in every way possible.
Alangli kami claim dam lo hai ki bai dam mane power tiller pensi hai bai son lo amat alangli ko son pen ane men a tractor abang begiar logai chok sipu agiar tong slip nane ko son ne amat a tractor bang men aki chibang ju ye son lo amat chingthur phak alang li phan akeng lo ruklok lo akeng pen mana akeng ham mi pen sang the mat ha teng khamanta son hola ablet bang tak lu de lo apok on tak lu de lo amasi chingthang ling.
Bijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.